Hello neighbors, thanks for joining me. This is my med kit using the Maxpedition fatty pouch. Does anyone else get the vibe like this should have been an ASMR try-on haul video? As you can see, the green looks amazingly dapper with the orange shirt. I think it looks amazing. Super dapper. Dapper, 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 dapper. Alright, sorry about that. I don't know where that came from. This is a basic, all-purpose med kit. Because accidents don't always happen during the day, on the left you can see I also included a flashlight. One thing worth mentioning is the Gerber dime multi-tool that I have. It has a file, scissors, and tweezers, all of which are really good to have in your medkit. If you notice anything that I should have in my medkit that I don't have listed, or if you have something interesting in yours, let me know. Leave a comment. To be honest, most people probably don't even need to have a medkit. But it's always better to have one and not need one than need one and not have one. Like photos of you matching your dog dressed in a polo shirt. Who does that? Yep, this guy. Once again, thank you very much for joining me. If you want more information on the Maxpedition Fatty Pouch, stay tuned for the fact sheet coming up right meow.